How to fix sports app not working. First thing first, move into the App Store and in the source bar, search for sports. Move into the specific app. Once you're in here, you have to make sure that you are running the latest version of the app. If not, tap on Update and update your application. Once you've got the latest version of the app, now the next thing you want to try doing is move into the settings of your device and then head over to General. Inside General, move into iPhone Storage. In this page, all the list of the applications that are installed on your device will be available to you. Simply search for the application Sports. Once you find it, head over to it. Now tap on Offload App. Once again click on Offload App. It means clearing the cache and the storage of the app. It will remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. It might fix the issue that you have been facing. But in case if you're still having the issue, then what you want to do is uninstall the application and then reinstall it. Reinstalling the app will definitely help you out, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix sports app not working. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.